Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to give a overview of all the equipment that I purchased to wash my car. I've got the video where we washed your car with Victor, and I thought it'd be a little bit easier to do another video overviewing all the equipment used because some people might be interested. I spent about $220 on all this stuff, so my wife's very happy with me. That excludes the blower that I already had because I didn't want to spend $600 on the big boy one. That one does the wind at 230 kilometers an hour. The big boy does it between 70 all the way up to like 300 kilometers an hour. So I didn't want to spend $600 when I've already got a blower that does a reasonably good job. Like, I did try it out and it did a pretty good job. The big boy definitely is better, but to me not $600 better. Anyway, let's go from start to finish, most important to finishing touches. So let's begin with my favorite tool that I discovered when chatting to Victor, is this hose foaming instrument. So it comes in a box. I'll do a little video overview of unboxing that, but pretty much it comes in three main bits. This nozzle, the main container and water containment, and the hose attachment. It comes with an extra valve, so don't worry about that too much. Obviously, you just pop that in there. That clicks in, and then that hooks in here. And then that's how it goes together. And you can just spray it with a varying amount of foam mix inside or whatever you choose. It's very heavy, so I'm going to take that apart here. Very sturdy construction. I think it's only $45 from Repco. That's the best price I could see outside of China, and even then it was only like $40 there. So, I mean, you might as well just get it from Repco. And no sponsorship, just because they had the best price. So there you go, they get the props for that. That's the most important bit and the most fun bit. Then next is probably, so you rinse the car with water, then you fill it with the foam and you spray it down, let that do its thing. Then you fill up the bucket. So bucket was about $10. I never knew buckets were that expensive. Then the lid was another $5. And then this thing up here is trying to separate the dirt that would sink down to the bottom from the good water on top. So that's why you get that. I didn't actually end up using the bucket because the car's been so clean over the past week. I literally just foamed and sprayed it twice and then dried it with the blower, and then the big green sucker towel here. Anyway, all up, that's about $20. And it's also a handy kind of storage container for all this equipment here. So that's the bucket, and it's actually very handy. I didn't realize this when I was buying the lid. The lid actually screws up and off. I thought this whole thing was the lid, but it's not. It comes with some stickers, but I just don't like using stickers. I like to keep things pristine. Anyway, I did buy a Cybertruck sticker for my car and I didn't end up using it. Next important thing is this equipment here. So originally I just used this Nanolicious car wash. It was alright, didn't really sud that much, and then I bought this one, which was the one that we used in the video with Victor and Pred. So based off that experience, that's better. I haven't actually used it myself just now, kind of thing. That's brand new container, not used. That is, but it didn't foam as much as I thought it would. This, got no idea, Boss Gloss. If you know when to use it, let me know. I got some lollies because in this bag here, the Nanolicious wash pack, it comes with this Shagtastic wash pad, which you use to just gently ease off the dirt. So that came with a car wash, so you use that in there, or you can use that one, which I would recommend. And it came with that, but so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the things that came in that kit. That seemed like the better value by like $5. So if you need to get all this equipment new, just get the pack if you find that it works out better. Now this is kind of drying off. Before you dry off, you're going to do the wheels. So I bought this wheel brush from Repco. I think it was about $5 or $7, something like that. And then you just use normal detergent as in the bucket, and you want to do the wheels after, so all the dirt and all the brake dust gets stuck down the bottom of that, and definitely not anywhere near your car or your panels. So that's for the wheels, just those two things. And then the dryer, so you want to use the blower. If you've got the money and you want to spend it on the big boy, do it. There's also a smaller version. I'll pop that up. Didn't seem as expensive. but I'm willing to bet in the next few years the blowers will be just as good. Doesn't heat the air. Anyway, we'll find out. I'm not too much of a perfectionist. That was fine. And then just drying off the bits that didn't really dry off with that. And then the only remaining thing that isn't actually here that I need to get is Windex. Victor obviously sprayed the car with Windex before he polished the glass. I didn't. I just went straight to polishing the glass. I bought these applicator pads. They're very nice, these foam ones. In the video, Victor wet it before he put that on. So that's something I didn't, but I probably should have. And then I bought that for the glass, but then I noticed that I also bought this for polishing too. So it's got two sides and it's just a mitt that you can use for polishing anything. So I've got a spare and I was going to use that in the inside anyway. I need to probably do another video for the inside, but we'll find out. So that's a good overview, about $220 worth of gear here, excluding the blower. And the most important piece of equipment is probably that hose foamer, the wheel brush, the drying thing, and it's all, you know, works in unison. So it's important in its own little way to finish the car off really nicely. So if you guys like this video, please do like, comment, subscribe, buy the gear, let us know how you went with washing. And if you're looking at purchasing a Tesla, then please do use my free kilometers code. Always nice to get free fuel. You get free fuel too, and you get a new car, so it's pretty handy. But anyway, stay tuned for more. We've got some more videos in the pipeline, and I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you.